string contains all the elements of a list. I am shifting to Python, and am still relatively new to the Pythonic approach. I want to write a function that takes a string in a list and returns true if all the elements in the list occur in the string. This seemed fairly simple. However, I am facing some difficulties with it. The code goes something like this. Also, I was hoping if someone could suggest a possible regex approach here. I am trying out my hands on them too.
Return true must be outside the for loop, not just after the if statement, otherwise it will return true just after the first letter has been checked. This solves your code's problem, smiley face.
For each letter you go through the list. So if the list is of length n and you have m letters, then complexity is O, n asterisk m. And you may achieve O, m, if you pre-process the word. Also, it's not a good practice to name variables as str and list, as if you will need later to create list or use str, they will be shaded by your variables. Some relevant information. All function. Set complexity.
If you're not worried about repeat characters, then. And, untested, if you do care about repeated characters, then maybe, untested.
Here's Twitter, fue enjoyed and